Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello and welcome to this quick demo. Meet ClaudFable AI, the all-in-one AI business platform that transforms one simple command into websites, funnels, AI apps, videos, images, digital products, and so much more. All powered by intelligence of ClaudFable 5. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, marketer, or business owner, ClaudFable AI gives you everything you need to build faster than ever before. So let's dive in and see how powerful ClaudFable AI really is. This is your main dashboard, your central workspace where every AI tool is organized and just one click away. Let's start with one of the most powerful features, AI Builder. Simply choose what you'd like to create: a website, funnel, blog, AI app, portfolio, or landing page. Describe your idea in plain English, and ClaudFable AI instantly builds a complete production-ready project. You can download Zip project and use immediately. Let's build a website. Just type your idea, hit generate, and within seconds, your fully responsive website is ready, complete with modern layouts, beautiful design, and production-ready code. No coding, no templates, no design skills required. Need a high-converting funnel? Simply describe your offer, click Generate, and ClaudFable AI builds a complete funnel optimized for conversions and ready to launch. Want to build an app? Just describe your idea, hit Generate, and your fully functional app is ready to preview and download. Every project you create is automatically saved below, where you can instantly preview it or download the complete zip package anytime. Next up is AI Chat, your intelligent AI assistant for almost anything. Write blogs, generate content, upload documents, summarize files, brainstorm ideas, or ask questions on virtually any topic. The best part? ClaudFable AI gives you access to multiple Claude-powered AI models, so you can switch between powerful Claude models. ClaudFable 5, Claude Opus 4, Claude Opus 3, Claude Opus 2, Claude Opus 1, or Claude Original, and much more depending on the task you're working on. Every conversation is automatically saved in the sidebar. Start a new conversation anytime, or export your complete chat as a Word document, PDF with a single click. Need help writing faster? Meet AI Templates. Choose from hundreds of ready-to-use AI writing templates across business, marketing, YouTube, SEO, blogging, social media, email writing, creative writing, e-commerce, productivity, and much more. Simply choose a template, describe what you need, and ClaudFable AI instantly creates ready-to-use content in seconds. Edit, refine, and export with a single click. Now let's bring your imagination to life with AI images. Describe your vision, or simply click Inspire Me for fresh creative ideas. Hit Generate, and your stunning AI artwork is ready in seconds. Preview it, download it, and revisit all your previous creations anytime from your image library. No design experience required. Now let's take things even further with AI Agent. Simply open the AI Agent, describe what you want to accomplish, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. For now, I'll create a premium restaurant promotional video using the AI Agent, and ClaudFable AI automatically creates professional quality videos and shorts in minutes. No editing experience. No complicated software. Just describe your idea and let AI handle the rest. And that's your quick tour of ClaudFable AI. Everything you need to create, build, and grow your business is now available inside one powerful AI platform. No juggling multiple AI tools. No expensive subscriptions. No technical skills required. Welcome to ClaudFable AI,